how to recover permanently deleted photos and videos, as well as also the files on Android. Now, if you've happened to accidentally delete some of the files or photos or videos specifically, nowadays almost all manufacturers gives us the option to restore our files within 30 days after deletion. So in the case of my Samsung or even any other Android phone, let's say I happen to accidentally delete some of these photos like this by tapping the delete button and tapping on the move to trash button. I can choose to restore this if I tap on the menu icon from the bottom right. Then I can go to this trash option here. Then I'll be able to find the photos and videos that I have deleted, and I can choose to restore them. As you can see, the restore button over there. This is for photos and videos, right? Now if you're talking about files, also similar way, if you went to your files and then you deleted some of the files accidentally like this by tapping the delete button and move them to your trash, you have to look for the trash icon for your file manager. So here you can see trash icon from my file manager, and there I can choose to recover all of the photos and videos that I have deleted within 30 days after deletion. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.